So on a CVI elevation camera, if you want to turn off the LED, you find this PDZ menu on the bottom, hit menu on the left side right there, give you this menu system inside the camera. Now we want to use the navigation buttons, scroll down to day and night setting, then enter. You have different modes. By default it will be on color, then you have full black and white. Day and night will be black and white. Then the next option, EXT, this would give you infrared at night, so the white light will be off. Scroll down, save and exit. Done.